Hey guys, my name is Bill. Welcome to another Trahan Creek Outdoors video. This is part 3 in my restoration series for my Yamaha Moto 1985 200cc. I invite you to come along. In this particular segment, we are going to do some parts installations. My friend Kenny is helping me. I've taken the unit to his garage. We've ordered some replacement parts and we're going to put those on. I'm giving you this little brief introduction just to bring you up to speed because there's been such a gap between when I videoed and we did some of these things. But in the first 2 segments, if you haven't watched them, we tested the bike, cleaned it up, tested it, found that it's running and working. Explored to see what needed to be done for the basic maintenance, and decided on what parts we needed to order to replace and put this bike into better operating condition. Yes, it ran, but it also ran rough and wasn't ideal. Carburetor float was probably bouncing around. It wanted to die out and flood out sometimes. So we're at Kenny's garage. We're putting some parts on and getting some things corrected. And my helper Miha, you see right here on the desk, has come to get into the theater business. All right. Well, anyway, let's go on to the project. Let's flip the page and get started. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we are this afternoon over at my friend Kenny's garage working on this beast. And we have gotten about $90 worth of parts in. Kenny's gotten a new carburetor on, some new brake cables. We're having to repair a previously repaired part where the former owner, we had a broken part and he glued it back together and that didn't work too well.
So I JB welded it.
So we're now JB welding and letting it sit up. And what he had done is disconnected the brake, I guess we'd call it that, and just had a rigged process that didn't work worth a flip. So we're back to factory original setup here with new parts going in. Kenny's putting our gas tank on. I did a heat gun approach to trying to improve the appearance of the gas tank, and it still leaves a lot to be desired, but it's a 36-year-old gas tank, so nothing's perfect. Here's our new carburetor over here, all installed, ready to go. We've got the original battery that came when I picked up the machine, and hopefully it's going to hold a charge and we can get this thing cranked. We're going to give it our first shot. We've done a few other little things. I won't be able to point every one of them out.
I did a couple things. Tightened up some wires, fixed a couple broken wires.
Yeah, let's get Kenny in here. There you go. Say hello to everybody,
my
Kenny.
ugly face. Jesus.
Yeah.
I fixed it. I did do a couple wires. The battery wire, there's nothing wrong with it. I just didn't like it. Yeah, I wrapped the battery cable up, took care of that. There's a brand new air filter in there, cleaned the box out.
Yep.
Put a brand new oil plug in it, brand new oil. Clean the plug up, put a brand new coil pack on there.
All right. Where's our new coil pack? Let's take a look at that.
It's right in there.
Throw this back up under there. Yeah,
can't miss it.
can see it.
Yeah, you see the orange?
There we go. Yeah.
The orange is the...
We got a lot done at Kenny's garage today. Here's a list of our accomplishments. We got a lot done at Kenny's garage today, as you see from the list of work. Now, the bike runs good, so mechanically, for the moment, we are moving on to other parts of the work that need to be done for the restoration, specifically body-related work. That's what we'll tackle in part 4. So I invite you to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified when these things post. And you can follow right along in our series. We've got a long way to go. So it'll be a lengthy series, but we do ask you to please join us. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, post them and we'll do our best to reply. Thank you very much.